Installation and automatic car wash mistake to avoid. More and more people are interested in the automatic car wash model because, in fact, this is a new business direction, saving labor, operating quickly, and creating a modern impression for customers. However, during the actual installation process, Go&Go found that many people encountered many difficulties, not because the machine worked poorly, but because of mistakes right from the stage of preparing the site, choosing the location, or operating methods. So today, I want to stay in depth so that those who are preparing to invest can avoid unnecessary risks, helping their automatic car wash model operate effectively and generate profits faster. The first mistake that many people often make is choosing a site that is too narrow or located deep in an alley, making it difficult for cars to get in and out. In fact, the Go&Go automatic car wash can wash quickly in just 7 to 8 minutes, but if the entrance is narrow, cars are crowded together or there is no place to turn around, customers will be reluctant to come back next time. Experience is that the ideal space should be 200 square meters or more to arrange a washing area, waiting areas, and reasonable parking. You can take advantage of the small space to place a few air conditions, coffee table, display car accessories, and toys, both to have extra income and to create a professional and comfortable feeling for customers waiting for their car. A modern car wash model not only needs a good machine, but also needs to be convenient and comfortable for both the driver and its customer entering the shop. The second mistake is choosing an installation location in a place with little traffic, a sparsely populated area or far from the center. Many people invest in large capacity car wash machines that can wash hundreds of cars per day, but they place them in a deserted area. So even if the machine runs well, there is not enough current to exploit its full capacity. Therefore, if you have invested in a modern system like Go&Go, prioritize choosing a location near main road, urban areas, industrial park, or near markets, school, and shopping center, where there are many vehicles passing by, easily attracting new customers and retaining regular customers. An automatic car wash machine can only truly maximize its efficiency and effectiveness when it is operated regularly, continuously, and has a stable number of cars each day. The third mistake is only focus on washing cars without thinking about expanding the service. The Go&Go automatic car wash is a tool to help you save time, labor, and increase service rate. But if you only stop at washing cars, the profits will not be high. Meanwhile, successful shops today know how to combine additional car care and beauty service, such as interior cleaning, polishing, undercoating, or evenly sealing accessories and car perfumes. These services have customers feel that their shop is more professional and willing to come back more often. Investing in once, but making profits from many sources. That is the long-term direction. And the last mistake, which many people often ignore, is not doing marketing. Many people buy machine, often a car wash, have a few busy days, and then wait for customers to come to them. In fact, in today's competitive time, if you don't promote or sell so that others know what's best about you, it will be very difficult for your shop to thrive. You can take advantage of social network, record videos of actual car washes, share customer review, or simply hang eye-catching sign and create opening promotion. Go&Go always accompanies and support you in communication and operation instruction so that your shop not only has modern machinery, but is also known by many people. Investing in an automatic car wash machine is a long-term, sustainable step in the current trend, but it's the most important thing is to prepare carefully and choose the right implementation methods, an open space, convenient location, diverse service model, and clear marketing strategy. That is the formula for success. Go&Go not only sell machines, but also accompanies you on the journey to build a modern, professional, and long-term profit car wash shop. If you are planning to invest, please contact us for a detailed advice on the space, design, and opening plan.